Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I love good stickers, and this really fun, high quality pack of stickers features all of your favorite cryptid friends. It features everyone from the Loch Ness Monster to Yetis, Mothman, and more. These are super high quality vinyl stickers that are waterproof. So you can stick them to everything from your notebook to car to your favorite tumbler, and they are going to stay nice and not fade and not get peeled off. I've had these stickers on my tumbler for well over a month now, and they have not gone anywhere. They're still staying nice and bright and as pretty as the day as I put them on there. So if you are a fan of Nessie, Mothman, Sasquatch, and more, grab this awesome pack of vinyl stickers. You will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.